range function. So that range function is up to your friends list. How many values are there? 0 to 10. 10 values only we can display. So 0 to 5 values will be displayed. So similar kind, for I in range length of friends, then friend is equals to friends of the given I. Print Happy New Year friend. So see here, then friends is equals to Joseph, Glenn, Saleh. Print length of friends 3 members only. Print range of length of friends 0, 1, 2. List will give you. Then now next another one is Happy New Year Joseph, Happy New Year Glenn, Happy New Year Saleh. Because the program will using the two loops here. The loop one is for friend in friends, Happy New Year of friend. Next one is friend range length of, that is length function is using here. Right. Another one, concatenating list using plus symbol. See here, so we can create a new list by adding two existing lists together. See, simple A is equals to 1, 2, 3, B is equals to 4, 5, is equals to A plus B. Or you can directly, you can C is equals to 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6. This is also you can choose either this model or that model. So based on that, based on your requirement, you can concatenate list using plus symbol. Either this model or that model. You know the list of values. List one is equals to something, plus list 2 is equals to something. Just simply, so list 3 is equals to L3 is equals to list 1 plus list 2. List 1 plus list 2. Then automatically these two will be transfer. How we will transfer? First list will be completing 1, 2, 3. So if you want to add addition, keep on next last element of first list, then adding 1, adding 2, adding 3 up to n minus 1th location. Right? Am I clear? Understood the concept? So this is called concatenation. Next, list can be sliced using colon. List can be sliced by applying colon symbol. So how? I will tell you. T is equals to 9, 41, 12, 3, 74, 15. T of 1 colon 3. T of 1 colon 3. See here. 1. What is 1? Index 1. 41. 3. So 41, 12. Up to 3 only you can display. Up to 3. Index 3. So that index 3 will not be counting. 3 will not be counting. Right? Understood? Then next one. T list of column 4. Column 4 means from 0 to 4. 9, 41, 12, 33. So 4 elements are available before 9. Sorry, before 4. Those 4 elements are because index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. Next, T of 3 colon. So here 3 onwards. So index 3 onwards. So see, 0 location is 9, 1 location is 41, 2 location is 12. 3 location starts 3, 74, 15. Next, T of colon. So there is no starting, there is no ending. How many elements are available? You can display all the elements. Please note down these all slicing list, very important. Please note down. Note down, please. Completed, Amma? Yes or no?
Completed.
What, Nana? Okay.
Completed.
Next. So some of list methods. List method here. X is equals to list type of X. Then type is, so you are given X is equals to list of some values. Okay. Type of X. That X means that is called list only, can be displayed on your screen. Okay, next DAR of X. So then the directory of how many of X append, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort, right? These kind of applications is functions are available. So these are the methods: append method, count method, extend, index method, insert method, pop method, remove method, reverse, sort method. So these are the methods which is available in the list also. Same like string application. Okay. Next, building a list from scratch. Starting simple. We can create an empty list and then add elements using the append method. So for example, empty list is available, right? So then stuff is equals to list of empty. Stuff dot append, you can book, you can